What's up guys, welcome back sa Tuwang Daily Vlog. For today's video guys, I want to share something. May I request everyone to please do subscribe to my channel, Kuya Rods TV. So hope that all subscribers are genuine subscribers too, and we will help each other, to raise our um, social media platforms, especially in YouTube. Please help me guys to raise my followers and subscribers to earn money, and of course that is our goal, to have a get in monetization so that we can earn money through uploading videos and pictures, so our daily vlog. So thank you for supporting, requesting to all kanang mga malalaking content creator na please pakihil na naman yung mga maliliit pa na mga content creator. So everyone, please help each other. Thank you so much and God bless.